Welcome to the product tutorial on how does the expense data split in invoicing based on the client allocation percentage assigned in every project in Replicon. I'm now logged into the Replicon instance. In this video, I would show how in a project that has multiple clients and different client allocation percentage, when used in the expense sheet recording and when the expense sheet is used in the invoice, how does the amount data split based on the percentage that you allocated. To check the percentage, let's go over to the Project Management tab. I have created a project called Administration that has multiple clients associated with them. So I move over to the Project Info section and I see two clients, Advantage Technologies and Big Game or BGI, available here with 50% allocation each. Now I move over to my Replicon to create an expense sheet that will go ahead and show me the split of data. So I go over to expenses, I click on the add expense button, and I go ahead and choose the project that I just showed up. I'm going to name it as testing, and I'm going to choose the project that I just spoke about, which is administration. I'm just going to randomly pick up a task. The date incurred, let it be May 16th. I can avoid to put up a description, and I will just go ahead and put the total amount of $1,000 against it. Now I've added this amount and I'm now going to go ahead and submit this expense sheet. In order to have this expense sheet available on the invoice, I will have to go ahead and approve the expense sheet from the billing tab. So I move over to billing, I move over to the expenses tab. I see there's just one expense that is waiting for approval, and I just go ahead and bypass the approval flow to approve the expense sheet. Now I move over to the invoice section to go ahead and create an invoice that can include the expense line item that I just created. So I go ahead and choose one of the clients that was associated to the project in discussion, and I click on the expense line items available here. I choose this month as I have to include the data that's been entered for the current month. As you can see here, the rate is only $500, though I had put in $1,000 on the expense. Similarly, when I choose the other client, the rest of the $500 would show up on the other client line items. This is how the expense line item data can get divided based on the client allocation in the project. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon and stay updated about the Replicon features using Replicon Community? In order to access the community, click on the Customer Zone option available on the home screen of the Replicon website. And on there, you can click on the community option up here. The way that you can stay updated about the new features of Replicon, click on the categories options available on the community page, and then go ahead and follow the category called product updates. If you want to have any ideas put forward to us, you can go ahead and post those ideas, questions or bugs on directly on this Replicon community, and our product management team will go ahead and answer them for you.